I thought I'd take a minute to complain about plastic baling twine. These little hunks here break off from however they're cutting it and end up in my hay, and that ends up in your animals, in your goats and your pigs, whatnot. And turns out plastic is a major issue on farms, even organic farms. It's getting into the soil, and that's extremely bad because it's getting into our food. And I'll probably be doing a video on that real soon. This is bad. It's not the same color as the hay, but you know, the goats don't care. They'll eat it if there's a hunk of it that falls off and gets in there. It's not a good situation. This isn't plastic, but you can see the problem. It's the little shards come off and they mix right with the hay. No matter the color, the goats will eat it. Just, you know, I wonder how many other farmers don't even notice it. And it's going right into their animals' feed hay. But, heads up, plastic baling twine frickin' sucks. I recommend getting into hay with the natural stuff here and using that on your farm to repair things instead of the plastic, because the plastic will end up all over your farm. This stuff sucks.